So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add text to a PDF or how you can edit a PDF using the file app on your iPhone. So for example, if I open the file app and this is, for example, this resume PDF I want to edit. Let's say if I press and hold this one, now here you'll see this option of right there, quick actions. When you scroll down, just simply click on quick actions, and here you will see this option of markup. Just simply click over there. Now once you are in the markup section, either what you can do, you can add a markup to it, or let me just quickly undo it, or I can even add a text box as well. For example, if I want to add, I just simply hit add, and I can directly hit add text from box, and I can add any text that I want to this box. For example, and I can have multiple customizations as well. I can change the color as well, and there are multiple customizations. And once I'm done with the changes, just simply hit tick mark on the top right corner and we are good to go. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.